Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best baking sheet is probably one of the most underrated tools in your kitchen, but choosing the right one can make a huge difference in your baking experience and your health. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of non-toxic baking sheets, exploring what makes them a healthier choice, and helping you find the perfect one for your baking needs. Get ready to upgrade your kitchen with a safer and more enjoyable baking experience. Number 5. Nordic Ware Naturals Half-Sheet Pan, 2-pack. This pan is made of pure aluminum, ensuring superior heat conductivity. It helps you produce consistently evenly browned baked goods every time. These premium pans are built to last. They will never rust, providing you with long-lasting use. Encapsulated galvanized steel rims stand strong against warping. This preserves the shape and quality of the pan through numerous uses. With exterior dimensions of 17.9 by 12.9 by 1 inches and interior dimensions of 17.1 by 12.1 by 1 inches, it's perfect for versatile use. You can use it for various recipes. Made in America of domestic and imported materials. This aluminum bakeware is made to withstand a lifetime of use in your home kitchen. What we like? This baking sheet's pure aluminum construction ensures even baking every time. If you are looking for consistently browned baked goods, this is a great choice. The encapsulated steel rims also prevent warping, ensuring it will last for years to come. What people say. The pure aluminum construction is thick and sturdy, promising years of reliable use. They don't buckle or warp, even at high oven temperatures. The unpainted aluminum heats up quickly and evenly, leading to perfectly browned cookies, evenly cooked roasted vegetables, and consistent results every time. The half-sheet size is incredibly practical. It's large enough to handle a big batch of cookies or roast a family dinner, yet it still fits comfortably in most standard ovens. Number 4. Ultra Cuisine 9 by 13 quarter baking sheet set. Introducing the Ultra Cuisine baking sheet set. These professional-grade pans are perfect for all your baking, roasting, and grilling needs. They are designed to make cooking easier and more enjoyable. Made from heavy-duty, high-grade aluminum, this set is built to last. It is durable and warp-resistant, ensuring it can withstand high temperatures without rusting. You can rely on it for years to come. This versatile baking sheet can be used in many ways. Whether you're baking cookies, roasting vegetables, or grilling meat, it's the perfect companion. It's suitable for both commercial and home use. Cleaning up is a breeze with this baking sheet. Simply hand wash it with warm water to remove any oil or grease. This non-toxic sheet will remain bright and clean after each use. Looking for a great gift idea? This baking sheet set is perfect for anyone who loves to bake. It's the ideal companion for those who consider the kitchen their personal domain, helping them create culinary masterpieces with ease. This rimmed baking sheet is incredibly versatile. It works for all types of cooking, from baking to roasting and grilling. The possibilities are truly endless with this set. What we like? Made from heavy-duty aluminum, this baking sheet is built to last and withstand high temperatures. If you enjoy baking, roasting, and grilling, this versatile pan is perfect for you. It's also easy to clean, making your cooking experience even more enjoyable. What people say. They are sturdy with smooth edges. They are perfect. They are fairly lightweight but overall a very nice pan. They are sturdy and cookies don't stick. I like the size and especially the rims, which make it easy to get them in and out of a hot oven. Number 3. NutriChef 2-piece Nonstick cookie sheet set. This nonstick coating ensures your baked goods slide right off. You won't need to use a lot of butter or cooking spray. Enjoy your delicious homemade treats with ease. The carbon steel provides durability and even heat distribution. It can withstand temperatures up to 445 degrees Fahrenheit. This set will never warp or bend, so you don't have to worry about burning your food. The deep baking sheet has a fully rimmed border. This prevents spills and ensures even baking. It also allows for proper airflow and heat distribution. Cleaning is a breeze with this nonstick cookie sheet. You can rinse it under water or put it in the dishwasher. It's designed to last for years without rusting. This set includes 2 baking sheets, perfect for making large batches. The large pan is 15.7 x 11.0 x 1.3, and the medium pan is 13.4 x 9.6 x 1.3. It also comes with a 1-year limited warranty. What we like. With its non-stick coating, this baking sheet ensures effortless food release, making it a breeze to bake your favorite treats. If you like easy cleanup and even heat distribution, you should consider this. The rimmed border also prevents spills, keeping your oven clean. What people say. Best pans I've ever used. Don't need to grease them and the food slides right off. Nothing left to clean. I was impressed with the NutriChef pans from the start. They look good in the champagne gold color and they feel heavy for their size, so I expect they are durable. I used them for the first time by baking chicken pieces on the larger one and broccoli cheese tots on the small one. I was very happy with the cleanup, because the chicken does make a mess. I had to line my old pans with foil because it took so much scrubbing to clean them up. These pans almost rinse clean. These pans seem very high quality at a great price. They are sturdy and very non-stick. As soon as I received them, I baked a batch of chocolate chip cookies in the large pan and it worked great. True non-stick, with even baking. Number 2. Wildone stainless steel baking sheet set of 3. This set includes 3 different sizes, perfect for all your baking needs. They are designed for high performance and can replace your old aluminum pans. The set includes 9, 12, and 16-inch sheets, fitting most ovens. You can use them for baking, roasting, or even as serving trays. This set is a great choice. Made with thick, sturdy stainless steel, these sheets are built to last. They are rust-resistant and can withstand temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures long-lasting quality. Made of high-quality stainless steel, these sheets are a safe alternative to aluminum. There are no chemical coatings, ensuring your food stays pure. This is a healthy choice. The mirror finish reduces food sticking, and the rolled edges make them easy to handle. The smooth edges make it comfortable to hold and transfer. The deep sides prevent spills, keeping your oven clean. Cleaning is simple, just wash and dry them after use. This ensures their durability. What we like. This baking sheet is made of high-quality stainless steel, a great alternative to aluminum. If you are looking for a versatile set with different sizes to meet various baking needs, you should consider this. It's also easy to clean, making it a convenient choice for everyday use. What people say. They've worked well, and with hand washing, they still look great. These are sturdy stainless steel pans. These are great, and with the variety of sizes I find myself using them for a variety of applications such as for flour, egg, breadcrumbs for dredging, holding prepped cut vegetables for salads, etc. Number 1. TeamFar baking sheet set of 2. This TeamFar baking sheet is made of premium stainless steel. It's a healthy alternative, free from any harmful chemicals, ensuring your food is safe and pure. The sheet features a superior mirror finish, preventing food from sticking. The smooth edges make it comfortable to hold and transfer, making your baking experience easier. With deep, full sides, it prevents spills and keeps your oven clean. Cleaning is a breeze, and it's also dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. This baking tray is solidly constructed with the right weight, giving it a sturdy feel. It's rust-free and built to last, providing long-term service for all your baking needs. This set of 2 baking sheets measures 16 by 12 inches, perfect for daily baking and roasting. It can also be used as a serving tray or cookie sheet, offering versatility in your kitchen. What we like. This baking sheet is made of premium stainless steel, ensuring no harmful chemicals come into contact with your food. If you are health conscious and want a durable, easy to clean option, you should consider this. Its mirror finish also reduces the risk of food sticking. What people say. They are pretty large but fit into a regular-sized oven. They have been easy to clean so far. I used a dishwasher or hand washed them. I have used these pans for everything from baking, cooking to roasting a chicken. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.